Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your speaker SONOS MOVE 2. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write SONOS. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. Speaker or component, scroll down, accept. Continue. And now we should enter to the application. So sign in, or you can create also account. Then click sign in. Accept, continue, allow, continue, allow while using app, continue, allow, continue, allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!